Hello everyone, I'm back with the videos of related to CSIR UGC net in physical science stream. So here we will be solving some of the questions related to the chapters present in CSIR UGC net for physical science. So let's start with the mathematical physics chapter. The first is vector algebra. I will be solving some 5 problems and I'll be giving some homeworks for you to solved by you. If there is any doubt, you can post in the comment section and I will be trying to clear the doubts as soon as possible. So here are the questions.
The first question, the constant P for which A cross B is equal to C vector, where A vector is I cap plus 2k cap, B vector is I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap, C vector is minus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap is. So we have to find in this question, that is the value of P. So the solution for this problem is, it is given that A cross B is equal to C vector. So first we have to find what is A cross B vector. So we have to do the cross product. I cap, j cap, k cap. Then write in the second row the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap in the A vector. Here the coefficient of I cap is 1, j cap there is no coefficient, so 0, k cap the coefficient is 2, so we will put 2. Then in this determinant, in the third row we have to write the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap in B vector. In B vector, the coefficient of I cap is 1, j is p and k is minus 1. Then we have to find the determinant of it. So the determinant, what we will be doing, first we will ignore the first column and the first row. So we will put I cap and ignore this. We will multiply the remaining things, cross multiply the remaining things. So 0 into minus 1 is 0, p into 2, so 2p, and we have to put a minus sign in between. The second thing, we have to put minus, because whenever we are taking in the middle, the signs should be taken as, the first it should be taken as plus, the second thing we will keep minus, and the third again plus. So when we are considering j, we will put minus sign in the equation. Minus j cap, ignore the first row and the second column now, and cross product of the other remaining items. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into 2 is 2. Then again the third thing, that is k cap is there. Here we have to ignore the first row and the third column. The remaining term should be cross multiplied. So 1 into p is p, minus 1 into 0 is 0. So what we are getting is A cross B vector is equal to 0 minus 2p, that is minus 2p I cap, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 into minus, so it will become plus 3j plus pk vector. Now, as given in the question that A cross B is equal to C vector, so we have to compare the coefficients of the answer we got from A cross B with the coefficients of C vector. So here I will write C vector is minus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. So now if you compare the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap, so you can see that the value of P is coming as 1, because if we put 1 as p, then here in front of k it is coming 1. If we multiply 1 here, it is coming minus 2, and j cap coefficient is same. So from this we will get that the answer is the constant p is nothing but 1. That's your answer. So here the question is the value of a if a is equal to a I cap plus j cap plus root 5 k cap. If the vector a subtends an angle of 60 degree with another vector 4 I cap minus 5 j cap plus root 5 k cap. So the solution for this is we have to do a vector dot b vector is equal to a b cos theta. So a vector dot b vector is a I cap plus j cap plus root 5 k cap into 4 I cap minus 5 j cap plus root 5 k cap. So here in dot product we have to multiply the coefficients of unit vectors of one vector to the unit vectors of the other vector. So like this. So that means a into 4, that is 4a, plus 1 minus 5 plus root 5 into plus root 5, that will be plus 5. So we are getting the answer as 4a for a vector dot b vector. Then we have to go for ab cos theta. So to determine a, we have to take mod of a vector, that is root of the sum of the square of the coefficients of the unit vectors. That will be a square plus 1 plus root 5 will be 5. So we'll get this a square plus 6. Similarly, we will be finding b, that is mod of b vector. So it will be 4 square, that is 16, minus 5 the whole square, that is plus 25 plus 5. So the answer is 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 16, that is 46. That is your b vector. So a b cos theta will be, where cos theta is 60 degree, root of 46 into root of a square plus 6 into cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Now we have to equate equation 1, that is 4a, with the 2, that is this one. So what you will get is 4a is equal to root of 46 into root of a square plus 6 into half. We can bring this half this side. It will become 8a into root of 46 into root of a square plus 6. Now we have to take square on both the sides. So when we take square on both sides, 8a will become 64a square. 46, root of 46 will become 46, and root of a square plus 6 will become a square plus 6. Now if we multiply 64a square into 46, a square plus 46 into 6 is nothing but 276. So we are bringing this in this side, 64a square minus 46a square, that is 276. So 64 minus 46 is 18a square, that is 276. So I am just dividing it. So a square will be 276 by 18. We need to determine a. So root of 276 by 18. We can simplify it like, we can divide both by 6. 276 will become 46 and 18 as 3. So we will get the answer a is equal to the volume of the parallelepiped whose edges are represented by a vector, that is 2I minus 3j plus 4k cap, b vector is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and c vector is 3I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. The formula for finding the volume of parallelepiped is A vector dot B cross C vector. So first we have to determine the cross product of B vector and C vector, and then the answer of that should be made a dot product with the A vector. So first we are finding the cross product of B vector cross C vector. So here we are writing determinant I cap, J cap, K cap. The second row should be filled with the coefficients of I, J and K in the B vector, that is 1, 2 and minus 1. The third row should be filled with the coefficients of I vector, J vector and K vector in the C vector, that is 3, minus 1 and 2. Then we have to do the determinants. First consider I cap. So we will ignore the first column and the first row and cross multiply the remaining terms. So 2 into 2, 4 minus of minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, so 1. Then minus j cap, ignore the first row and the second column and multiply the other two. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus of minus 3, that will be plus cap, ignore the first row and the last column, 1 into minus 1, so minus 1, minus 3 into 2 is 6, so minus 6. So the answer for B cross C vector will be 4 minus 1, 3I cap minus 3 plus 2, 5, J cap, minus 6 minus 1, 7, K cap. Now we have to do dot product with A to find the volume of the parallelepiped. A vector is 2I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap. That is made dot product with 3I cap minus 5 J cap minus 7 K cap. Now just multiply the coefficients of the unit vectors of both the vectors. So 2 into 3, that is 6, minus into minus will become plus, 3 5 are 50. Then plus into minus will become minus, 4 into 7, 4 7s are 28. So 15 plus 6 will become 21 minus 28. So we will get the answer as minus 7. So we can ignore the minus term and the volume we have obtained is 7. That's the answer for this question. Now here are two homework questions given to you to solve. Try to solve it with a mistake and prove the answers in the comment section of this video. So the questions are, first question, the area of a triangle whose base is given by A vector, that is 5I cap minus 3J cap plus 4K cap, and B vector, that is J cap minus